Did you know two men once killed the most dangerous Nazi alive, knowing thousands of innocent people would die because of it? Reinhard Heydrich was the architect of the Holocaust, the man who sat in a room in 1942 and planned the murder of every Jew in Europe. The Nazis called him the Blonde Beast. Even Hitler feared him. Two Czech paratroopers, trained in Britain, were dropped into occupied Prague with one mission: kill him. On May 27, 1942, they ambushed his open-top car on a sharp bend in the road. A grenade. A gunshot. 8 days later, Heydrich was dead. The Nazis burned entire villages in response. Lidice was wiped off the map completely. Every man shot. Women sent to camps. Children gassed. The paratroopers knew this would happen. They did it anyway. Cornered in a church crypt, surrounded by 700 SS soldiers, they fought for hours with the last of their ammunition. Then silence. They had made their choice, and they never looked back.